Let's talk about some software stocks as well that are moving in different directions. We have shares of Coupa Software. That company's shares are surging some 11% after earnings beat estimates, and revenue grew by 18% year over year. But on the other hand, we have UiPath, which is falling about 19%. That's after the company lowered its fiscal year revenue forecast. And in the case of UiPath, let's take that one first because it's sort of a more spectacular decline, unfortunately, for shareholders in that company. They talked about what was going on with FX, and this comes back to our discussion at the top of the show. I saw some analyst commentary that this company gets more than 50% of its income from outside of the United States. So when you bring it back, if you got a strong dollar, it's worth less in U.S. dollars. Yes, it's that denominator that is the U.S. dollar that is causing so many asset prices to shrink. And I do have some comments from an analyst here. This is at, I believe this is Truist Securities. While effects and macro issues are explainable, its transition work creates new uncertainty. So transition work. And then while Path's automation platform, this is BMO Capital Markets, switching firms here. While Path's automation platform offers client cost savings, robotic process automation software is not top of mind for IT budget decision makers during a downturn. So because of their business model, they're designing software solutions to make robots more eagerly anticipate our wants and needs. That's maybe not front and center in the minds of IT buyers who are trying to slash corporate budgets right now. Right. So I think that's a factor. I think that's the bigger, more arc. What is it? The bigger arc in this storyline here is just the stronger U.S. dollar. Yes, the bigger theme in the story. As for Coupa, meantime, part of the backdrop for Coupa is that the stock is down 65% year to date. So you do have something of a relief rally on the back of those numbers beating estimates. And analysts pointing to strong billings, that's one of the reasons as well, besides just the top and bottom line numbers that we always look at. Analysts talked about strong billings specifically in North America, but that they are still concerned about some weakness in Europe, which of course has been affecting a number of different companies in addition to having the exposure to the strong U.S. dollar. Well, the European economy also is not doing so hot. So that's something that also is potentially a headwind for Coupa going forward, even though the stock is going up a lot today.